everybody, it's Diana again from Youth Services at Mesa County Libraries. Thank you for watching. We are going to be talking about doing some more art. We are going to learn how to make some abstract foil art using our take and makes that will be available starting September 4th through September 17th, and I'm going to show you how to get started. Okay, so in your take and make kit you will have instructions on the front, but inside you're going to get a piece of tag board. It's just this thin, kind of like cardboard but a little bit thinner, and it's going to have already on it cut notches. Okay, so we'll talk about why you have cut notches in your tag board a little later. You're going to get a piece of foil. You're also going to get 2 sticks of paint. These are stick, it's roll-on stick paint, which is really cool. So you're going to get 2 of those of different colors, and you're going to get a piece of yarn. And that's all you need to get started. Okay, so let's get started. You're going to take your tag board that has these cut notches already on there, and then you're going to take your yarn. You're going to find one end of your yarn, and you're going to make a knot. So you're going to wrap around your index finger, make a knot, and just to be on the safe side, let's double knot that. So we're going to do a knot over that first knot, just so that this yarn stays in our tag board. What we're going to do is kind of weave it across, and let me show you what I mean by that. So I put my knot into one of the notches, and then I'm going to take it all the way down to say maybe the other corner. And I'm just going to weave it. So I go over to the side, and this can be however you want. There's no right or wrong way to do this. This is your art project, so you can do it however you want. And then I'm going to just keep weaving these through these different notches, the different cut parts of our tag board here. And it's okay if you double thread through a notch, no problem. Again, this is how you are going to make your art piece, and it doesn't matter if it's double threaded in some spots. It's going to be more interesting, in fact, to just have some differences. So you'll notice I have some lines, I have some zigzagging, I see some triangles here, I see some rectangles, I see all kinds of different shapes and different designs here. So I'm getting close to the end of my string, so I'm going to do a couple, let's see, I think I'll do it here. And what I want to do now that I'm almost done, I'm going to knot this. So I'm going to kind of pull it out so that I have a little more leeway here, a little more string to work with. And I'm going to knot it, and I think I'll do one more knot over that knot just to make sure that it stays. Okay, and then I'm going to string it through, let's string it through this way. Okay, so here is my finished product. I have all that yarn threaded through my tag board. So the next step of our art piece is going to be with the foil. Okay, so now we're going to take our foil. It is actually folded, so I'm going to unfold that foil. And what I want to do is put the back facing me. It's going to be on the top here. And then I'm going to make sure that the front has the shiny part, because that's going to be the really pretty part of our art piece, that shiny foil, okay? So I just fold it over, kind of like maybe, that you're wrapping a present or something, okay? And so I'm going to just fold the sides here, and now I have my foil over the yarn. So now you'll kind of feel that you've got your yarn pieces kind of bumping up, okay? You can feel that sort of roughness. And you just kind of press it down so you can really get your yarn kind of shapes that you made to really come out. Because when we do our painting, we want to make sure that we have little sections to work with. So do you see that now that I kind of pressed down on that foil where the yarn is? Okay, so you're going to get, it may not be blue and pink, but you're going to get at least 2 different colors of this paint stick, and it's just like paint, but the cool thing is you don't need a brush, you don't need water, All you need is the stick, and it rolls on just like a glue stick, say, okay? So now I'm gonna decide how I wanna design this. Do I wanna do a design that has different dots or zigzags, or do I wanna do solids like this one? You can do a combination, or just kind of decide what you think would be the most interesting and fun for you to create. So I'm gonna start, and I'm gonna just start coloring in how I want it to look. Now another thing, if you have permanent markers at home, say like Sharpies, you could use those as well. Or if you have other paints, other different colors other than the roll-on paints that we give you, try those out as well, okay? Because that will work too. But if you use washable markers, those will not stay on very well on the foil. So just something to keep in mind to kind of extend what we have already given you in our Take and Make kits, okay? So now I'm just gonna have fun, and I'm gonna keep going. I'm gonna fill in some of these different spots. I think I wanna do maybe some dots over here in the corner. All right. So that's all there is to it. Just keep going, fill it in how you would like. All right, so now that I've finished doing all my different designs with my roll-on paint, I don't have to wait too long for that to dry. It dries pretty quickly. That's the cool thing about this paint also. You don't need to take off the foil from the tag board. This is all one piece, so you don't need to take off the yarn or anything. This is the final product. So you can give it to someone you love, or you can put it in your bedroom just as a decoration. So I hope you're having fun. Have a lot of fun making your design, your abstract art piece. Be sure to pick up your kit starting September 4th through September 17th. While supplies last, you can pick them up at any of our 8 locations at Mesa County Libraries. And also you can pick them up through curbside if you prefer that mode. So take care and stay tuned for all of our kids' Take and Makes for ages 6 to 11. Have fun!